I am Mudaris Abdul Rahman. I will teach you all how to use your Google Classroom for Ustaz Iskandar's Quran class. Okay, now focus on the screen. Okay, firstly enter the Google Classroom set 1 Ihsan, for example Quran Studies. Then what I want you to do is find Tajweed Quiz 2019. Press on it. Okay, then you will find this page. Okay, so what I want you to do is because make a copy, that means every one of you need to edit, and submit your own copy. So what you need to do is press on this one first. For example, Tajweed Quiz number 1. Okay, then what you need to do is I want you to open in new window. Okay, open in new window. I press. It will open a window for Microsoft Word. Okay, what do you do next is to download the file on your computer. Okay, download the file on your computer. Okay, and you will see downloading here. Can? Okay, what I want you to do next is now open the Microsoft Word file and fill in the answers. For example, how many letters for Qalqalah? 5 or 6? I think 6 lah. Okay, let's just put 6 first. Then name all the parts of Qalqalah. For example, maybe Kubra, Kubu, Kubra, then whatever, Sugra maybe, for example. So what I want to do next is save the file. Then what I want to do is save it under your own name. Boleh For example, my name is Ammar Gidani. For example, Ammar Gidani Tajweed Quiz. Save it under desktop, easier. Okay, so it's very easy to see. Save it. Done. Once you're done, we finish the whole Tajweed thing. Okay, the whole quiz. What I want to do is go back to this one. Go back to the Google Classroom Tajweed Quiz. Okay, I want you to X this one, cancel this one. This is the old file. Okay, and add a new file, which is your file that you edited already. Okay, press select file from your computer, then go to desktop, the one that you save under your name. Where is it? Ammar Gidani. There is it. Ammar Gidani. Press on it. Okay, then upload. Okay, once you're done, it will upload. What you need to do is resubmit, for example. Okay, turn in. Okay, submitting. It is submitted already. Alhamdulillah. Now Ustaz Iskandar will mark for you. When he tell you he mark already, he will give you the grade here. You get 1.40 or 20.40 or 40.40. Can? That's all. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.